What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Y'all, what's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see, just the plan. We hitting the summit. I got some parts to pick up, man. I'm probably gonna have to end up making another trip too later on in the week, but I'm gonna go and hit the road. Got stuff to do. Cause the plan today is to get Dolo back on our four, do a test run, make sure everything a-okay, man. That's the plan for today. So I'm finna hit the road car, man. This haul here, and I got a busy day. Then I got to get back, get the bearing pressed on before my fan Rick come through and all that. So I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in. So y'all see, we got a new carrier. My boy Craig getting it together, getting the bearing put on. Did a lot of work on meat too, man. So shout out to Craig showing us some love. So yeah, we can get these on here, man. Get back to the house. And we can get this thing popped back in when Rick pull up. So I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, checking in. So I'm back, man, from not Lawless. Well, I'm back from Lawless. But I'm back from Summit. Y'all seen I hit Lawless to get the bearings pressed on. This trip, boy, it's on here take a minute, boy. But I think Rick on the way over here. Cuzzo should be on the way over here too, cause he in town. He had to hit Lawless. Drop some parts out too for what he getting done. But we got everything ready to roll. Y'all see carrier, bearings on the carrier. I got a Detroit True Track. Detroit, all this stuff, man, is made by Eaton. Eaton is the brand. So we got Detroit True Track. They'll hold it over for now until I make my final decision on what side rear axle I'm going with, but the whole entire rear end will be coming out. I got an extra gasket because I had glued the one to the cover, and even though they had no fluid circulating to it, man, that junk still sometimes might not come off in one piece, so I got that just in case. If not, I have an extra one. I got some MSD wires for Grandma Nana since I went to a Pro Billet distributor ready to run, so I'm gonna get that popped in Grandma Nana. New wire harness ran to the MSD, and then we're gonna run an external coil, which I got plenty of those. I got 2 of those extra, so I'm gonna run an external MSD coil. That's why I got new wires, got a coil wire and stuff. So Grandma Nana be back up and running this week too. I got some more stuff, but I ain't showing that right now. It's another vlog. I got some more stuff. I bought a load, but that's all I'm showing today. I'll show the rest in another vlog when it's appropriate to show it. When it's time to show it. So, cause I bought stuff for like 3 cars. 3 of the cars, let me think. 1, 2. Yeah, I bought stuff for 3 cars. But anyway, when Rick pull up, man, I turn y'all back on. It should be a smoother process. Wife got my fluid for me and some red Loctite. And yeah, that's all we need. We'll be ready to roll. So I'm finna go ahead and eat right quick, cause I've been running all day. I ain't ate, so y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all checking in, man. Y'all see Cuzzo done made it over here. Man, he was out here chilling, enjoy the weather, man. Rick done made it over here. Already on it. Man, I had to put something in my stomach, y'all, cause I was on my last leg, man. Been a busy day. But we about to roll with it. He taking the cover off. We got the, he already got it on there. Yeah, he already got the carrier on there. Hey, you need them races too? Yeah. Alright, I'm finna go ahead and get the races. Hey, did the gasket come off all right, or we need the new one?
We good.
We good, all right. Oh yeah, perfect, y'all. But sometimes y'all the rip coming off, so I'm finna set y'all up in a minute and turn y'all back on. All right, y'all, we checking in. So look, this is what looks like. This is not your clutch style carrier. Not your clutch style carrier. We know, we already seen what I did with one of them. We grenaded one of them. So we got this torsion style. I guess I said that right. But if not, y'all know what I mean. And we finna go in with this Detroit True Track. It'll hold up, man. I can't. I'm gonna turn it down. I'm gonna keep the car turned down for right now if I'm running on radius. And then, you know, we'll just do it like that. But I'm finna set y'all down right here and zip these tires off. So, get this back rolling. And we'll be back in a few. TNT. Broken a few days ago, we'll be back. Put these on. Get the other side, man. I'll turn y'all on in a minute. Alright, y'all, checking in, man. Y'all see Rick about to get the gear installed on the new carrier. We got the right races, and this particular carrier uses a special race, man. A special race and a bearing. I gotta get the bearing part number for y'all if you need it. And the race. Y'all see that? That's the race number, but you can actually use the race number then get the bearing for it too. But it tell you in the notes. You go to Summit and get this carrier. It tells you in the notes it uses a special race and bearing. The 99, cause y'all know 99 and up, like trucks and stuff, they got 85s in them. They use the larger bearing. This use the smaller bearing. Like and you got to get the race, cause the race is different. Like the race that was used for this, the bearing is the same, but they use a different race. They made different, so that race is a little different than that one right there. So you definitely want to get the race, man. Don't think, oh, I'm gonna reuse my old race. Get you a new race. Everything, man, ain't that much. Go ahead and just do it like it's supposed to. If you try to reuse that, it probably won't work, even though the bearing the same. So. And make sure, you know, you put some Loctite on there, thread locker. That's what you about to do, cause you know the part spinning up in there all which way. So you definitely want to lock them bolts in and stuff. So we got new shims just in case we need them. It should clearance the same way, but we got new shims and all that stuff too if we need them. Richmond, and we're gonna go on back with this joker, and he'll be back operational, man, not making no clanking noise and all that. So y'all stay tuned. Turn y'all on in a minute. All right, checking in. Y'all see area pretty clean. Rick on there about I know it dark, y'all. Finna put the fluid in it. We got one partial right there. It went smooth this time, y'all. It went a lot smoother, man. We successfully installed, and it was fast too, cause all he had to do was swap the carriers out. Oh, get this out of the way. Swap the carriers out. So we're gonna put the fluid in. Another thing about the old carrier, you don't have to have additive. You do not have to have additive. 80, 90, non-synthetic. No synthetic fluid. Just 80-90 fluid. You good to go. Them clutch style carriers, the only one you gotta put additive in. That friction additive. The clutch ones, they the only one. Everything else, you can just put fluid in it, call it a day. So that's what he's doing now. Then we're gonna sit on the ground, man, and shoot. Hey, we're gonna be back. We'll be back, man. Roll down driveway, turn. Cause that's all they're doing, binding and turn. And turn, man. I touch it up. I come up driveway and see what it do. So y'all just hold tight, man. Y'all might be able to catch that cause we still got a little light. And I'll turn y'all back on in a few. Alright, y'all. I just tested it. I'm gonna let Rick let me turn y'all up some. Let Rick tram brake right quick. Y'all high. Third position. Cause you know 2 is a dead spot. Yeah, and you know it got a pro brake, so it can reverse in neutral or reverse. So it pull, blank, reverse, then it go regular after that. Neutral, first, second. Yeah. Cause I'm gonna get you to back up. Man, I'm about to throw the radio out. Yeah, push that in. That top button, that's the tram brake. Yeah, I'm just let you go on the tram brake and get some footage for the vlog. What is that for now? What we just went and drive. I think I shifted y'all. Ooh, look at that can roll. Yeah, that can roll, boy. Boy, Dolo be talking, boy. Woo-hoo. We'll get a little bit of that tram brake. Do what you gotta do, man, when you get that chainsaw. We ain't going to Mexico tonight. Tram brake action. Yep, think it ready. Think it ready. Alright, y'all, we taking in. So everybody left, man. Cuzzo just now pulled out, man. We just out here chopping it up, man. Talking business and all that stuff. Plans and all of that, you know. Rick done took off. Man, gotta shout out Rick for all the way coming through, like I said, and getting Big Dolo back on the road, man. We back ready. Back 100%. Small fit. We would have been back 2 days after it happened, man, but I just said my schedule wouldn't allow me to get up there to Summit, man, to get my part. That's all it was, man. It wouldn't allow me to get the part, but we back, everything working like it should. Gave y'all a little something, a little footage. But everything working like it should, man. I'm glad about that. I'm probably gonna, I ain't no problem, man. I'm gonna go ahead and take the slicks, the radials off. Take them off for right now and then put the wheels on, man. I'm gonna be back on the wheel. I'm gonna start driving the car, busting some block. I gotta put my radiator in. So I'm gonna do that. Go ahead and change the radiator out, put the big one in there. Keep it even cooler, it'll work even better. And that's it, man. They're gonna be it. So Big Dolo back. One down. We gotta get Grandma Nana next. We're gonna change the ignition system on Grandma Nana. Get her back rolling. I'll be back pushing her, daily driving. Cause y'all know, man, I ain't drove her in about a week and a half since that happened. So we're gonna get it straight and get it going. And then wifey car Emma is in the works, in the process. So yeah, man, we rolling with it. We rolling with it. And yeah, I got some more action coming for y'all this week. Cause we're going back to Summit again too. And I got some more stuff today. I got a load of stuff today. I just didn't show y'all everything like I said earlier. But yeah, man, they're gonna wrap this one up. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.